State versus Justin Stutter, 13-294. That's what he's charged with.
I believe it's commercial burglary, Your Honor.
Commercial burglary, you say? Okay.
He's probably under the alias portion of the docket, showing an FTA.
Okay.
I'm not sure if Mr. Studdard ever made bond on this. After this charge was filed, he went to the Department of Corrections in Missouri. Do you have those?
I'll order him to appear before Judge Webb on May 22nd. That's right, May 20, no, June 19th, isn't it? Anything else we can do?
Yeah, we wanted to address bond since he's never had a chance to make bond because he had the Missouri hold.
Okay. I have the file here, so I'm kind of handicapped.
You're on a while on probation. Ozark County, Missouri, this gentleman broke into a business, took some money, a small amount of merchandise.
Okay.
He signed a $25,000 bond.
Was there a revocation
That's
of Missouri?
adequate.
When you got sent to prison, was that on new charges in Missouri, or was that because of this? Yeah, it's because I was locked up here.
And was this before he went to Missouri? Department of Corrections?
Yes. Did they send you to Missouri on a revocation because of this?
What kind of record does he have, you offhand?
Judge, if you
Oh, it might be this.
looked at it.
Oh, I see it. Here it is.
Judge, it appears he has a criminal history that dates back about 10 years.
We're requesting a $10,000 bond on this matter.
Your Honor, we would like you to look at this gentleman's criminal history prior to setting that bond. It appears to be significant. And it appears to be theft related. They're all theft charges. Before you set that bond. Can you calculate that? Can you give me 1 minute?
Yes, sir.
I didn't look at this.
Well, I'm looking at it right now.
Oh, you have, he's got this criminal, okay.
I'm going to leave the bond where it's at. He's got a lengthy criminal history.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
13-77, State versus Marcia Sutterfield, delivery of controlled substances. Several counts of that.
Your Honor, we have Ms. Sutterfield before the court. A plea offer has been made which would encompass drug court, and so there's no action to take on today's date. We'd need to give her a reappearance date on Judge Webb's docket,
Okay.
and then we'll arrange for a screening.
To reappear on June 19th.
You wouldn't mind?
11-45, State versus Denise Grantham, also known as Denise Gardner, residential burglary and forgery.
Your Honor, I represent Denise. We are actively attempting to negotiate a settlement in this case. However, at this point, we will just leave it as scheduled. And if the trial date is next week, and I understand the court is involved in a jury trial next week, it might need to be continued, but we're going to work hard to resolve it today.
Very well. State versus Renee Smith, delivery of methamphetamine, morphine, distribution near certain facilities, unlawful use of communication devices. And there's been a petition filed to revoke your probationary period. And the state has made certain allegations alleging that you failed to comply with probation. Are you aware of what those
Yes.
allegations are?
Yes.
You're entitled to have a hearing where you could contest the allegations and require the state to prove that you have in fact violated the terms and conditions of probation. Are you waiving your right to that
Yes.
hearing? By doing so, you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you entering this plea freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Other than what Mr. Bayless stated here in court today, other than that, have you been promised anything?
Mm-mm.
Have you been threatened in any manner?
No, sir.
To change your plea?
No, sir.
And you're entering this plea freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Are you? Ma'am, you were placed on probation by this court at an earlier time. Let's see when that was.
October.
October of last year. Have you failed to report to probation as you were ordered?
Yes.
And you failed to pay court-ordered fines and supervision fees as ordered? You need to speak to this lady.
Yes.
Yes. This time, ma'am, I find that you violated the terms and conditions of your probationary period, and I'll revoke your probation. and I'll resentence you for delivery of a controlled substance. You'll be sentenced to 10 years probation, condition of which will be that you serve 120 days in the regional, what is it, community corrections center? Okay. For the crime of delivery of controlled substance morphine, the first delivery was methamphetamine. For delivering morphine, again, sentenced to 120 months probation, condition of which is that you do 120 days in the community corrections center. You're ordered to pay $200 in court costs, $1,000 fine, $20 booking fee, a drug crime assessment of $125, a DNA fee of $250, public defender fees totaling $200. You'll be given credit for any sums you may have paid, but you'll pay what you owe at the rate of $100 per month beginning within 30 days. There's also, I noticed, $400 in restitution to be added to that. You make your payments at the sheriff's department. I guess we should say, we'll begin that, the payments within 60 days after you're released from incarceration. That'll give you some time to get back on your feet. Anything else? Thank you.
Thank you.